Mars has captivated humans for centuries. Its reddish hue, visible even to the naked eye, sets it apart in the night sky. This celestial neighbor, the fourth rock from the sun, holds the promise of untold discoveries. Mars beckons us to explore its mysteries and unravel its secrets. Could it be a second home for humankind? Mars is a planet of stark beauty. Its surface is a tapestry of reddish dust, ancient volcanoes and vast canyons. The atmosphere is thin, about 1% the density of Earth's. This makes the Martian sky appear faint and hazy. The thin atmosphere also means that liquid water cannot exist on the surface for long. It would either freeze or evaporate quickly. The temperature on Mars is much colder than Earth's. It can plummet to minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 129 degrees Celsius, at the poles during winter. Despite the harsh conditions, Mars shows signs of a watery past. Dry riverbeds and ancient lake basins hint at a time when water flowed freely on the surface. NASA has been exploring Mars with robotic missions for decades. These missions have provided invaluable data about the planet's geology, climate, and potential for life. The Viking landers in the 1970s were the first to successfully touch down on Mars and send back images. Today, rovers like Curiosity and Perseverance are exploring the Martian surface. They are equipped with sophisticated instruments to analyze rocks, soil, and the atmosphere. These rovers act as our eyes and ears on Mars, sending back a treasure trove of data. Section 4. The Human Journey, Challenges and Preparations. Sending humans to Mars is a monumental undertaking. It presents numerous technological and logistical challenges. The journey to Mars is long and perilous, taking about 6 to 8 months. Astronauts would face exposure to cosmic radiation and the challenges of living in a confined spacecraft for an extended period. Landing on Mars and returning safely are also significant hurdles. The thin Martian atmosphere makes landing difficult, and the lack of resources on the planet means that everything needed for the mission must be brought from Earth or produced on site. Despite these challenges, NASA and other space agencies are actively working towards making human missions to Mars a reality in the coming decades. Developing advanced spacecraft, life support systems, and habitats are crucial steps in this endeavor. Section 5. A second home for humankind. The ultimate goal of exploring Mars is not just to visit, but to establish a permanent human presence. The Red Planet offers the potential for a second home for humanity, a backup plan for the future. Establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars would require overcoming significant challenges, such as producing food, water, and oxygen on a planet with limited resources. However, the rewards of such an achievement would be immeasurable. Mars represents a new frontier for humanity, a chance to expand our horizons and secure our future among the stars. The journey will be long and arduous, but the spirit of exploration and the pursuit of knowledge will continue to drive us forward.